Hi friends, I am showing to the Geepas hair dryer. So this one, see, 2 years warranty and Geepas brand. It is the very look nice and different, a good color also. This one cool short function and 2 speed and 3 heat setting function, DC motor, iconic function and model number GHD S0018. This one you can see here, and 2000 watt dry refrigerator style hair dryer, professional result. This one I am also using, it is very nice. And this one see here on the top of box, and you can read here from more details. This one beauty Geepas hair. You can read here more. Writing also the Arabic, and see the inside, how is the inside. Okay, this one is the inside, and also direct power supply, and this one is speed. Here you can see speed, 1 speed, 2 speed, and a heat. This one the heat, and this normal heat, second heat, third heat, and this one also 1 speed, 2 speed, and this one pressure make higher. So let's start, I show you also. See, it is nice also. And this one hit, the air is the hit coming, this normal 1 2 3 hits, and this one the also pressure, you can put high pressure. Thank you for watching.